first transfer you might need to do is sending USDT from your SafePal wallet to your Binance account. This guide will walk you through the process, step by step, ensuring a smooth and secure transfer. Remember to follow each step carefully to avoid any potential errors. USDT or Tether is a stable coin pegged to the US dollar, making it a popular choice for traders and investors. SafePal is a hardware wallet that provides a secure way to store your cryptocurrencies offline. Binance, on the other hand, is a popular cryptocurrency exchange that offers a wide range of trading options. Transferring your USDT from SafePal to Binance allows you to take advantage of the trading opportunities available on the exchange. You may want to trade your USDT for other cryptocurrencies, withdraw it as fiat currency, or simply hold it on the exchange for future use. Before we begin, make sure you have your SafePal device, your Binance account credentials, and a stable internet connection. Let's get started. The first step is to access your USDT balance on your SafePal wallet. If you already have your SafePal set up, you can skip ahead to the next section. However, if you need to restore your wallet using your seed phrase, follow these steps. A seed phrase is a series of words that acts as a backup for your cryptocurrency wallet. It's crucial to store your seed phrase in a safe and secure location, as it's the only way to recover your funds if you lose access to your device. To restore your SafePal wallet, begin by downloading and installing the SafePal app on your smartphone. Once installed, open the app and select the option to import an existing wallet. You'll be prompted to enter your seed phrase. Carefully enter the words in the correct order, ensuring there are no typos. Once you've entered your seed phrase, your SafePal wallet will be restored and you'll have access to your USDT balance. Double check that the balance displayed is correct before proceeding to the next step. Before you can transfer your USDT, you need to identify the network your USDT is on within your SafePal wallet. USDT can exist on multiple blockchain networks, and selecting the wrong network can result in the loss of your funds. To check the network, navigate to your USDT balance on the SafePal app. You should see a label indicating the network such as ERC20, TRC20, or BEP20. Make a note of this network. Next, log into your Binance account and navigate to your USDT wallet. Click on Deposit and select USDT as the cryptocurrency you want to deposit. Binance will then display a list of available networks for USDT deposits. It is crucial to ensure that the network selected on Binance matches the network your USDT is on in your SafePal wallet. If the networks don't match, your USDT will not be deposited into your Binance account. Once you've selected the correct network, Binance will generate a unique deposit address for you. This address is where you'll be sending your USDT from your SafePal wallet. Copy this address, ensuring that you've copied all the characters correctly. Now that you have the correct deposit address and have confirmed the network's match, you're ready to initiate the transfer from your SafePal wallet. Open the SafePal app and navigate to your USDT balance. Select the option to send and enter the amount of USDT you wish to transfer to your Binance account. In the recipient address field, paste the deposit address that you copied from your Binance account. Double check that the address is correct to avoid sending your USDT to the wrong address. Once you're satisfied that all the details are correct, confirm the transaction on your SafePal device. The transfer will now be initiated, and you'll be able to track its progress on both the SafePal app and your Binance account. The transaction time may vary depending on network congestion, but it typically takes a few minutes to an hour for the USDT to appear in your Binance account. Once the transaction is complete, carefully verify that the deposited amount matches the amount you sent from your SafePal wallet. It's always a good practice to double-check the transaction details to ensure everything went as planned. Congratulations, you have successfully transferred USDT from your SafePal wallet to your Binance account. You can now use your USDT on Binance for trading, withdrawals, or any other